Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VBIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First, going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and so far so good in that regard. So going into today, 54 cents was considered the level of resistance, but once the price got back up above it, did a great job of acting as support there. Temporarily fell below it, but that didn't last very long at all. And as soon as the price got back up above it, you can see right there, it went right back to acting as support again. So 54 cents going forward is what I would consider the ideal level of support. Meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would indeed be if the price can stay above 54 cents. With that being said, though, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below 54, then the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 54 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are currently residing, main level going forward right there at 56 cents. I realize the price did get up above there a couple of times, but that didn't last very long on either of those instances, and then 56 cents quickly started to act as resistance again. So in the near term, focus on 56 cents, next key battleground. All in all, though, very nice movement today, and always good when the lows keep getting higher and higher. So let's see if the price can continue on with that trend going into Thursday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.